Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Kumar Chaudhary and I am welcoming you at Ministry of Python. In this video, we are going to cover three topics. First is Introduction to Python, second is how to install Python to your machine, and third is write a basic Python application. So Introduction to Python. So Python is a beginner friendly language, and one thing I like about Python is that it is easy to learn. So that's why I choose the Python. So let's see how to install Python to your machine. So you have to open the browser and type python.org. So it is the official website of Python. You click the download tab and you can download it from here. So after downloading the Python, you have to install the Python, and after installing the Python, you have to open terminal and type Python. If it shows like this, that means you installed Python successfully. So after installing Python successfully, I'm going to write a first Python application. So I'm going to create a file. Right now I'm exiting from this Python interpreter and navigate to my file where it is. I'm going to Ministry of Python, YouTube, Python basics. Okay. I'm in in this folder where I'm going to create my file. So right now I'm creating the file called as hello.py. Okay, I'm opening this file hello.py. Okay, and write a first Python code. So print hello world. Okay, and I'm going to save this code. Control S. And right now I created a file called hello.py. Okay, and now I'm going to run this file. So how can I run this file is just by typing python.hello.py. It's just simple, and hit enter. It shows that hello world. And now I'm going to test this code. Same as print hello world. Is this simple? Just like that.